Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making candied bacon wrap pineapple poppers. And this is the second time I've made these, and they come out fantastic every time and will be sure to please any crowd. So you guys sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Let's get this cook kicked off. First thing we're going to do is prepare this pineapple for the poppers. So we're going to cut the bottom off first. Make sure to cut it as straight as possible. So when we go to cut it up into smaller pieces, it will stand up on its own without like falling over or leaning or anything like that. All right, so we're going to turn it and we're going to cut off the top now. And we'll stand it up and now we'll get all the skin off of it. That's looking good. All right, now we want to turn it on its side and we want to cut it in half. All right, so now we're going to flip it and we're going to start cutting off the sides, and we want to just leave the center alone. We're not going to cook that or do anything with it. So we're kind of making spears here. All right, now it's time to get our bacon. So we're going to open up this packaging and we're going to start wrapping these with bacon. We're going to want to cut this bacon in half, and that will be the perfect length strips for these little poppers. All right, we're going to take our first piece of bacon and we're just going to wrap it around, and I kind of stretch it as I'm wrapping it, and it kind of keeps the bacon in place. And then I'm going to put it on this wire rack. And we're going to use this wire rack to cook on as well, just so it's really easy to get on and off the grill. So we're going to go through and we're going to just wrap all of these pineapples. Next step is to get our sugar and rub on there. So I'm using Uncle Steve's dessert shake, and we're just going to get that on there pretty thoroughly. This is a really good shake. You can use it for various types of dessert, and it's really perfect for making candied bacon. Now if you don't have this rub, you can just use some brown sugar, and then one of your favorite barbecue rubs. Just go a little light with the barbecue rub. It's got a lot of salt in it. And I like a little extra heat on these, so on not all of them, but some of them, I'm going to put slices of a jalapeno. And this really kind of solidifies with the bacon and the candiness. I don't know if that's a word, but it comes out phenomenal. So it's an optional step if you want a little extra heat. So we got all those sliced very thinly, and we're just gonna place them on some of these poppers. We are outside at the pit, and you can see we got all these poppers built. They're looking phenomenal. I'm going to place them on our smoker here. I'm running the smoker at 275 degrees, and these will take about 45 minutes to an hour. I would say at maybe the 30 to 40 minute mark, just come to your pit, take a look. If the bacon is crispy and where you want it, you can go ahead and apply some barbecue sauce like I'm going to do here. If it's not, continue to cook until it looks crispy and finished. So we're going to get our glaze on here, and as you saw just a second ago, I'm using Blue Hog's raspberry barbecue sauce. Stuff is really sweet and will really enhance the flavor of these pineapple poppers. So highly recommend that, or alternatively you could use your favorite barbecue sauce. Totally optional step there. So we're going to get our glaze on all of these, and then we're going to leave them on the smoker for an additional 15-20 minutes just to tack up. And after 10 minutes, we're going to open the pit up, and man, these are looking amazing, if I do say so myself. So we're going to get these off the pit, let them cool for a little bit, and then they'll be ready to eat. So let's go bring them inside and see what they look like and see what they taste like. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. These came out fantastic. They're one of my favorite new appetizers that I've kind of come up with based on the last video that I did. I did the ribs wrapped around pineapple video. Came out amazing, great flavors, and I wanted to make like a party version of that. It takes a little bit less time to cook. So if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.